Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the essentials. You have an EA account and a YouTube channel signed in on the same device. Once done, open EA settings and enable API access or export permissions so YouTube can receive content. This uses OAuth 2. 0, which times out. Make sure you copy your channel ID and API key now, and gather your video file plus metadata like title, description, and tags. These steps let you move straight into the integration flow without interruption. Next, authorize EA to access your YouTube channel using OAuth and accept the requested scope so the connection is writable. Then map EA export fields to YouTube metadata. Link title, description, tags, and visibility settings so information transfers cleanly. Configure upload options, choose unlisted or public, schedule a publish time, attach a thumbnail, and include captions if available, because these choices affect discoverability. Make sure you save this configuration and run a small test. Finish by performing a full test upload and confirming the video appears with correct metadata, thumbnail, captions, and visibility. If anything fails, check common culprits: expired OAuth token, API quota limits, unsupported file format, or metadata exceeding character limits. Use EA logs to find HTTP error codes and implement retry logic for transient issues. If you see permission errors, reauthorize the connection immediately. Once the test succeeds, proceed with scheduled or batch uploads and monitor for occasional reauthorization needs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.